we going? It's this way. Oh, I should have. Should have brought some cards.
You always have your freaking. Why don't you put it close to like that?
Wait, to read stuff.
Like it always looks real. Always have it angle.
What are you saying though?
No, we're here. Union Station touchdown. About to start walking to Comic Con. You see a lot of costumes out right now.
So yeah,
Showing the costumes and shit.
costumes. You never know who you're gonna see. I heard from a little birdie that the creators or like the voices. Damn, costumes everywhere, fam. But yeah, I heard that the voice
sources.
I heard from our sources that the voices of Michael, Franklin, Trevor, your favorite GTA characters, fam, they're gonna be here. Bun eats, eh?
We can get eats, so you know, fueled up. But where you
Bun
trying to eat
LC. Bun
at?
LC.
Yeah. No, let's go.
Fam, you can't even see the tower. Alright, let's lock in. Yo, fam, man, can't even see the tower. I've never been here when it's like that.
It's Gotham City.
It's like Gotham. But yeah, we're here for Comic-Con. Like I said, you never know who you're gonna see. We're looking out for the costumes.
Thorn, yo.
Hey, where? Fam, no events are.
Come. Look at the guy with the fucking helmet, bro. You're a fucking
Hey.
thorn.
But yeah, you never know who you're gonna see. Voices of Michael, Franklin, and Trevor are gonna be here.
We would like to, you know, get a nice experience with them. Try to find, where are you trying to eat?
Anywhere. From Don's to anything. I don't mind at all.
Where's the fucking
Tim's, anything. No.
McDonald's?
Don's is in Union.
Okay, then why don't we leave?
I don't know, because you're bummed.
Yeah, I just remember there's a lot of food spots in there. I'm bummed. I don't know why this guy here I didn't say anything.
Here, Ryan.
Right by the food court. Just get some tin. Alright, we're back in Union Station.
Yo, man's gotta find somewhere to eat. That's the first stop. What are you looking to eat, man?
I don't know, but definitely not at Don's for me.
Oh, you're crying about Don's.
Yeah.
What about Chipotle?
Nah. If I can remember what order I had last time, yeah. But nah.
Yeah, downstairs.
More eating, I'll just start my thing up there. I'll also post the freaking, you know, oh, the line for the homeless. You sure you want done? Let's at least just walk on first.
Alright, walk around then. I mean, like I said, I'm with whatever. What's this?
Some Chinese food looks good. I might get that. At least look at the menu though. Let's be good. There's some nice protein, you know. We got barbecue chicken. No, I'm deaf getting this. What the heck? Hi. Do you know what you want? You could do like a.
You gotta put me on.
You could do. So there's like 3 combos. Combo 1, you can get one meat, and then either rice or noodles. Combo
What's
2,
one veggie? What are the veggies? What are the choices of veggie?
like the green stuff, you know?
No, like broccoli.
Yeah, broccoli,
Asparagus.
you know? All these stuff.
Definitely go with some broccoli.
Alright, just a second.
Yeah, I know what I'm gonna get.
I'll probably do a combo. Give me a second, sorry. Oh, if you're ready, you can go.
No, I'm not ready. You go first, and then we'll see what you get, and then.
Okay, I'm ready. I do a combo 1, fried rice.
Fried rice.
Yes, please. And for chicken, I'll do a honey garlic meat. Yeah, so I did the combo 1 either between rice or noodles and a meat.
Yeah, I'm gonna get combo 2.
Combo 2 rice and noodles.
Yeah, I'm gonna get rice.
Rice and veggie.
Pardon me?
Vegetable.
Broccoli.
Okay.
Nice, good choice.
Look
at all these options, guys. Look at all these options.
Let me look. I'm gonna get this one. Yes, thank you.
Hello, sir.
La.
With it too. Oh, it looks clean.
Yeah?
Look clean when I was showing the food.
Oh, you showed them?
Yeah, like so many choices. You know? Nice.
Friends will be eating good.
I think I did the honey garlic chicken. The black pepper.
What is this? This
Fish, yeah. Alaskan fish. The mango salad looks alright.
There's a couple of them. Let's try this out. This guy Neil put mans on.
Oh yes, please. Can I do? You guys have lemonade?
Yo, Dripway. Shout out Dripway, fam. Shout out Dripway.
Minute Maid lemon juice?
It's gonna say Fortnite soon, fam. Yeah, that's some Fortnite runs. Hey, thank you.
Hello.
Hey.
We need that protein.
Yeah, then go to the gym, okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Quiche.
Hold on, 1 second.
Yes, sir. Say no more. Yeah, man. I don't know if you know about Comic-Con, but that's where we're heading to. We're just about to get some eats right now, and then we'll head over. So now we're gonna find ourselves a spot to sit at. Oh Jesus, it's crowded. I'm gonna find us a spot. Okay, this guy's like bunked out of his brain. Sorry. This guy bunked? Sorry. Let's find a spot over here. Oh, it's busy. But I'll tell you, there's a lot of people here for Comic-Con. They're all dressed up. Yo, you wanna stand up? Oh, never mind, there's a bunk right there. That's where probably